This is a 2005 Honda Accord, 4-door. All the windows stop working on their own. They refuse to go up or down. I have a quick hack for this. You don't have to go crazy. This is how I fix it. I'm gonna show you what exactly I did here on the master switch. Okay, so you have to remove this cover here. Just to pry it slowly. Don't use a metal one, use a plastic prier. So slowly just go like this until all comes off. So you have to be patient. Okay. So it came out nice, no crack. Okay, so you go here. I use this pin here. Let me just get this closer 1 second. Okay, notice this. You have to very much short. If you look from here, you should see this is the lock right here. You look this black wire with the gray or silver stripes on it, and the other one is the white with the green. So if we count it from here, 1, 2, 3. So it's the third one. Again, it's the third one. White with the green. Also have silver mark on it, and there is a black one right here. So 1, 2, 3. So one and 3. You just have to short these two wires. So you could use a pin like this, or you can just short them together. Leave them in their place. Don't remove them. Just to cross these two wires together. That's what I did, and now all the windows are working. All right, let's test it. Ignition on. All right, so all this is working. This is working. All of them working. This is working. This is working. Close. This is right here. Okay. And here's the driver's side. All right. So that's a quick hack for a Honda Accord 05. I believe 03, 04, 05, 06, 07 most likely are the same. Just make sure they look alike. This is the master switch with the auto feature, and these are the wires you have to cross. Thank you for watching.